Hello and welcome to today's video. We have a November box that was delayed in getting here. Yes, sometimes there are delays, so we have the November Slay Glam Box. So let's take a look. Yes, let's look. First up is a lip liner. Yes, this is from J Cat and it looks to be in a brown or taupe shade. I'm probably going to wind up putting this one into the Find a Future Home box. Lip liners are something I really just don't use. So rather than have it go to waste, let's find it a future home. We are trying to do this without blinding you. This has a plastic wrap on it, and I'm leaving the wrap on because this will also go into the Find a Future Home box because I have way too much mascara. But the packaging on this is so unique. There's a twist to the packaging. I think that's adorable. So this is from Lash Step, and it is in the shade Goddess. And again, I've seen some spoilers over on Slay Glam's Instagram, and this shade is brown. I just have too many mascaras, and I'm also finding that colored mascaras don't show up too well on my eyelashes because they're so dark. So I think it's best that this gets passed on to somebody else. But again, I'm enamored by the twist in the middle of the packaging. That is cute. Illuminati has presented a lip product. Yes, this is a lip oil or a lip gloss. I couldn't read the tiny print, but in any case, I like the shade of this, so I'm looking forward to giving this a try when we get into spring, if spring will ever come. First, we have to make it through winter. This is from Beau Babe Beauty. It is in the shade Deep Bronze. Oh, this looks like a fun one. Yes, it does. The camera doesn't quite do it justice. It looks a little washed out on camera, but in person, it's a little bit darker and there is a nice little bit of sparkle to it. In the theme of November boxes, this eyeshadow palette was called Thankful. It does have a mirror, so I'm trying to do this without blinding everybody. It is from the brand Chloe or CHLO''IOR. Not sure if I said that right. Unfortunately, Anne is allergic to it. She can tell by the scent. Yes, so I have not even touched this palette. There won't be any swatches today. Oh, that's too bad. Yet, I don't want to just swatch something and then have it sit there and never get used. I can tell by the scent. I could tell by the scent when I opened the box that I was allergic to something in here. They have some great colors to this palette, so this will go into the Find a Future Home box and possibly show up in a giveaway in the new year. What did you see that you liked from this box? I think my two favorites were the highlighter bronzer combination item and the lip gloss lip oil product. Tell me what you liked. I want to know. I'm a nosy camel. Taking a quick look at the nitty gritty, and I do believe there is a link down below in my description box. The box itself is $24. The shipping is free. I do have to pay tax, so that puts me all in at almost $26. I think $25.87, something like that. So almost $26. There's no card, but Anne did look around to see if she could find some pricing. And overall, I came up with a total that is about $60. So I think for a $24 box, a $60 return on your investment is a great little box. And I've said this before, and I definitely always believe that this box is well thought out and well put together. It's not just 5 items tossed into a box. There is a theme, both with the with the color story. There is a theme with these items. So anyway, real quick, the roll-up lip liner I think is $3. These are estimates because we couldn't necessarily find all of them exactly as they are online. The Lash Step Goddess Mascara is about $13. The eyeshadow palette is about $27. The Illuminati lip gloss is about $7. And the Deep Bronze from Beau Babe Beauty, that's a tongue twister, is around it's around $10. Oops, camel. Oops. Anyway, so that came out to a total of about $60. So again, I think it's a great little box. It's unfortunate that I'm allergic to this month's eyeshadow palette. That happens sometimes when you do different subscription boxes. Yeah, that's the way it goes, and I'm going to be very glad to pass it along to someone. There will not be any giveaways in December just because the holiday season gets nuts. But I do anticipate giveaways in January and possibly even into February. So comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff, and we hope to see you in another video. Yes, hope to see you soon.